Have you ever felt like time is slipping through your fingers? What if I told you that time isn't what you think it is? That every second you experience is different depending on where you are in the universe? That right now, someone in space is aging slower than you? Welcome to a journey beyond the ticking clock, where we uncover mind-blowing facts about time that will change the way you see reality forever. Fact 1. Time is relative. Let's start with something that sounds like science fiction, but is actually science fact. Time isn't constant. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity proves that time moves differently for objects moving at different speeds. For example, astronauts on the International Space Station age slightly slower than us on Earth because they're moving at high speeds. If you could travel at the speed of light, time would almost stop for you. Fact 2. Time travel is possible, but only forward. Time travel isn't just a fantasy. Scientists have proven that moving at extreme speeds slows down time for the traveler. If you were on a spaceship moving at near light speed and returned to Earth, you'd find that more time has passed for everyone else than for you. Technically, you'd have traveled into the future. Fact 3. Gravity affects time. Did you know that time moves faster the farther you are from a gravitational source? This is called gravitational time dilation. If you lived on the top of Mount Everest, you'd age a tiny bit faster than someone at sea level. On massive planets with extreme gravity, time slows down so much that a single hour could be years on Earth. This was shown in the movie Interstellar, and it's real science. Fact 4. Your brain distorts time. Have you noticed that time feels slower when you're waiting for something and faster when you're having fun? That's because your brain isn't a perfect clock. When you experience new or intense moments, your brain records more details, making time feel slower in retrospect. This is why childhood summers seem to last forever. But as an adult, years fly by in an instant. Fact 5. Time might not be real. What if I told you that time might just be an illusion? Some scientists believe that past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. Our perception of time flowing is just a trick of consciousness. The block universe theory suggests that everything is already written, and we're just experiencing it one moment at a time. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Fact 6. Time can stop at a black hole. If you were to approach a black hole, time would slow down dramatically due to the immense gravitational pull. At the event horizon, time would appear to freeze for an outside observer, while you, the traveler, would continue moving forward. In theory, once inside, time might not exist at all. Fact 7. Your perception of time changes with age. The older you get, the faster time seems to pass. Scientists suggest this happens because as we age, we experience fewer new events, making time feel compressed. This is why childhood memories seem more vivid, while adult years blur together. Fact 8. Time exists differently for particles. In the quantum world, tiny particles don't experience time the same way we do. Some particles, like muons, decay in a way that suggests they travel through time differently depending on their speed and environment. The rules of time are not as simple as they seem. Fact 9. Time travel paradoxes. If backward time travel were possible, it could create paradoxes, like the grandfather paradox, where someone goes back in time and prevents their own birth. Scientists argue about whether time travel could truly exist without rewriting reality. Fact 10. The universe may have had a time before time. Some theories suggest that before the Big Bang, time as we know it didn't exist. Instead, the universe may have gone through cycles of time, with new Big Bangs resetting the clock. Could time itself be part of an infinite loop? Time is one of the greatest mysteries of the universe, and we've only scratched the surface. What do you think? Does time really exist, or is it just an illusion? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the unknown. Until next time, make every second count.